Hello everyone, I am Devesh Pandey, Faculty of Journalism and Mass Communication from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture topic on TV news production desk and its function. First, input desks. Now some details about input desk to collect news from different sources is the main work of input desk. One input head supervises the work a journalist or prolonged exchange is made in charge of this desk. Besides, he has the knowledge about sources of news. He engaged the experience for field journalists to collect news for field. He direct working news reporters to visit different spots. The journalists are of local district centric, metro centric or some freelance journalists who contribute news input. This desk decide which story to follow up and given importance. This desk works around the clock and hence the staff can be 3 or more shifts. This desk is allowed to receive any sort of news coming for different direction machine which is active all the time. The employees working in this desk need to be expert in handling coming news, and unmindfulness may lead to losing vital news items. Persons sitting in the desk are always in search of news. Besides, they keep in mind what news is generated and sent to the input desk. For news spot looking vital news items, persons sitting in the desk are always in search of news. Besides, they keep in mind what news is generated and sent to the output desk. There may too many hue and crisis for any small wrong news. Sometimes due to oversight and important news is left out. He competitors channels highlights the mistakes to attract the views. This may prove the inefficiency of the channel and viewers lose interest in the channel. Once the credibility is lost in the mind of viewers, it is difficult to rebuild it again. Output desk. Now coming to what happens in the output desk. As per the name, this section is devoted the output desk. This section is usually headed by a experienced journalist or bulletin producer. Some bulletin producers, copy editor and program coordinator work under the output head. Nowadays, news is telecasted 24 hours of the day. Output head is responsible for the transmission of every news in every bulletin. So it is very vital like the input head. Every news coming in the input desk is made to fit to be telecasted after thorough editing and considering the best time to telecast sent to the output desk. The reporters write the story and send it to the server. Later the copy editor edits it, consults the producer for putting it on the benefiting bulletin. Bulletin producer takes the decision whether to put the news in local, district, regional, state or international category and telecast in the appropriate bulletin. Once the time of transmission is decided, the story is commented for written script for visual from or it is recorded by reading. Later it goes to visual editing desk and sent for voiceover, visual over long with printed copy. One efficient visual editor does the editing work. If required, some visual data plate or graphic are added to it. The news story is then named and sent for transmission through server. Then it telecasted in appropriate time. It is duty of this desire to prepare certain number of stories, visuals, phono. Beside this desk has the responsibility to see that all scan, voices, graphics and advertisement are telecast in proper time. The desk is responsible for any lacuna in the execution of the telecasting of news bulletin. Work in this the channel runs all the 24 hours by efficient and experienced technical and journalistic women. Bulletin, a short news announcement concerning some ongoing news story at a regular interval like every hour in a news channel. Ingest, the process of transfer of the visuals, audio from the camera or shooting. Coverage, the amount and quality of reporting or analysis given to a particular subject or event. I hope you understand on the topic of TV news production desk and its function. Thank you very much.